Welcome to a quick tutorial on how to upload your target audience in the OCMS Portal. The target audience is the heart of the platform. It encompasses the groups, individuals, roles, and locations impacted by the change. The target audience populates throughout your other OCM tools, improving efficiency and audience accuracy. You can access the target audience page from the left sidebar or in Phase 1. When you first open the target audience page for a new project, it will be blank. Click Add Target Audiences. Next, you'll be defining what your audience for the project looks like. You do not need to fill in every column. You can hide those you don't need by clicking Hide. Just bring them back under Hidden Columns. Your audience can include individuals and groups or only groups. You can do your assessments in the tools either way. Click here to change a column name. You can also add columns. Choose from 4 field types. It's very important to choose the right field type so the system will recognize the data you're entering. For example, if I want to add a child group called Team under Department, I need to use the group column type. That way the system will recognize the data as a group when looking at reports, doing assessments, or sending surveys. Here's how to use the column types. Other is used for additional information, such as a person's phone number or a group's desired contact method. Do not use this column for naming groups, locations, job roles, or individuals. It's only for additional information. Group is used for secondary groups. For example, if I want to add Team as a subgroup of Department. Location is used for secondary locations. An employee ID is used for an employee ID number. I'm going to add a secondary location. You can choose between 2 input options: manual entry into this form or bulk upload, which allows you to import a spreadsheet. I'll do manual entry first. When you get to the job role, a group, or a location column, your entries will add in a drop-down format. Note, when doing manual entry, these options are only saved if you type them into the form. Click Save to add the audience. Now let's try bulk entry and add more audience members. Click Bulk Upload. You can choose to download our template or map your own spreadsheet. If you're ever having problems mapping your spreadsheet, then it's best to come back here and download our template. Make sure you correctly identify the row with the column titles. This will default to the first row. The system will map any columns that have the same or similar names to save you time. Click Import when ready. Now that you've successfully added your target audience, you can tag individuals with stakeholder types to group them. You can also enjoy 4 views: individual grid, individual list, group grid, and group list. From here, you can easily manage and edit your audience. Any edits will reflect throughout your change management assessment tools. And that brings us to the end of this quick tutorial on adding target audiences in the OCMS portal. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to help.